Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the differences, and this will be between the LAC and the tryptophan operon. So the first is, let's look at the LAC operon. LAC operon, it is an inducible gene complex, so it is inducible, and on the other hand, tryptophan, it becomes a repressible gene complex. Next is, what about the catabolic system? So the LAC operon, it has a catabolic system, LC, right? So LAC operon has a catabolic system, whereas the tryptophan, it has an anabolic system. Then comes the LAC operon, it produces 3 inducible enzymes. So 3 inducible enzymes, and on the other hand, tryptophan produces 5 repressible enzymes. Then comes the repressor protein. It is active in case of the LAC operon, and in case of tryptophan, it is inactive. The high lactose turn transcription is on. The high lactose turn transcription it is on, and in case of low glucose level, there is low glucose level as well. Then in case of tryptophan, there is a high tryptophan and transcription is off. And LAC operon, the lactose act as a lactose inducer, and here in tryptophan act as a co-repressor. It has only one type of gene regulation, that is LAC operon. One type of gene regulation, and that is nothing but the negative control. Next is, it has the tryptophan operon, it has one type of gene regulation, and this is nothing but again a negative control. The LAC operon is usually off and gets activated under certain conditions, and the tryptophan, it is on and inactive at high level of tryptophan. The CAMP is necessary. This is for LAC operon. The CAMP is necessary. CAMP, it is necessary for the CAP to switch the transcription on, whereas the tryptophan operon, the CAMP is not necessary. So it is not necessary. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.